Hello, beautiful people. My name is Kathy, traveling with Charity, and I travel with three babies, Hope, Faith, and Cassie. And I travel in this rig right there. Travel full time. I've been doing it for 5 years, and I think I've been across the country about 4 times. The only states I haven't gone to Washington State, which I have been there before, but not in my RV, and Maine and all that stuff. I need to do those. But today is another beautiful day. Let's see, is that sun anywhere? But today is another beautiful day, and today I got to do some things. It's Saturday, so normally on Saturday I don't like to do like chores and stuff. I like to just do, fun stuff. But I gotta do some chores. So it's about 6:15 in the morning. So since I gotta do chores, I want to do it early in the morning because, it gets crazy in the afternoon. Everybody wants to go shopping and all that good stuff. I want to show you Mr. and Mrs. Plum. I think they're doing well. Since I've moved up here, I have noticed that my breathing has it's like I'm breathing for no reason. It's like I'm barely doing anything. And, I found out, I'm high in elevation, 6,000. So I just got to get used to it. That's all. But here's Mr. and Mrs. Plum. This is Mrs. Plum. I'm a little worried about, look at these leaves. Why are they turning yellow? Orange, whatever that color is. And oh no, there's a leaf that looks like it's dead there too. I'm getting really kind of sad about that. And here is Mr. Plum. I gotta take his tag off. I don't know. Someone wrote in the comments that I need to get like chicken wire around it. I guess for the wind, and also, not for the wind, what am I saying? For the, like birds or something when they start blooming. So I gotta do that. Let me show you what I got yesterday. Okay. First, let me show you the bricks. These are the bricks that are going to be going under my house, I guess, to hold it up. And then I would have to put like some kind of skirt around it. They call it a skirt, but I think it's like wood or whatever you want it to be. And then I got my water container. They'll be delivering water to me, when I call them. And I'm gonna have it hooked up to, I think, my RV, because so I won't have to put a septic tank down there. So, but this is it. And there's a spout or something somewhere. Yeah, right down there. And then right up here. And then on the top, I guess they can fill it there. But it says 900 gallons, but it can go up to like 1,000 gallons. That's what the guy told me when he delivered it. So yeah, I'm thinking, I'm not sure yet. I haven't made a decision. In order to have this water thing, I have to have it hooked up something. And I'm thinking that I should just keep it up, hook it up to my RV, so so I can use the restroom in there still, and the shower and all that good stuff. And I have to get like some kind of septic so it all can go in. And I hear that that's very, 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 very expensive. So the Arizonians told me that there's something else you can do that's not as expensive. I don't know what it is yet. I'll let you guys know when I find out. But yeah, I'm really, really, truly excited about how the land is coming along. We're doing a really good job. I love it so much. I love that the dogs absolutely love it. It's the best. I can't put a fence around here. I mean, I guess he can start putting the fence around here, but I didn't want them to, I didn't want the house to like tear part of the fence down. So that's why I'm still waiting for it's not, I'm gonna make it into a house, but it's, you know what those things are. You've seen them at Home Depot, but mine is pretty big. Mine is like 14 by 40. So it's like a 40 length RV. So my RV, which is right there, is 24 length. So just imagine what a 40 length is going to be. And I chose gray and white. So I'm excited about that as well. So, and the other thing is there is tons of land that is being sold out here. I mean, there's lots of it. And you know what? I can even show you some. At least one. And I'm not sure how many acres or anything, but it looks really good. Looks really good. Look at that background. That is awesome with those clouds there. That's awesome. Well, I better get on the road because I don't want to be in long lines and all that stuff. Just get my shopping done, get my gas, and come back. Oh, and show you the land. Here is some land for sale right here. And it's pretty doggone pretty. You're right here off the road. And there are, you can actually have electricity if you'd like. And it's off the main road as well. Here comes a car so you can tell where the main road is. There it is. Not sure how much land it is or how much, but I am going to give you the phone number. You know, a lot of people have been saying in comments, yeah, this is what I want to do. I want to buy some land one day and blah, blah, blah. But Arizona is so inexpensive, I'll tell you. And it's near California. It's just really nice. I am here at a gas station. And as you can see right here, but this gas station is so cool. It has all kinds of stuff. Not only is it a gas station, it's a market, a gift shop, hotel right next to it. But check this out. How cool is this? Cowboys having a fire, a meal, horse and buggy, and then a huge buffalo. This is just so cool to me. And there's like more. Little buggy. Look at these little things. Well, big things. Nice, right? And you can eat out here if you want to. Just beautiful. Then there's two bears that are getting ready to fight. They look so vicious. One's going up, and the other one's already up, is getting ready to go down to pounce. It's beautiful. And there's piggies. Little baby pigs. And deers. I'm going to show you something else that's really special. Now look at this. Here in Williams, there are a lot of people that actually own cars and are driving them. Look at that. How cool. This one says, "Do not touch." I guess this one's called Tweety Bird. Oh, they all say "do not touch." But look how cool these are. Look at that. Is that an outside sun visor? That is so funny. I just touched it. Uh-oh. Look at that. Oh, is this a police car? It is. I love it. Okay. Look at this car. I'm sorry, truck. And then they also have like the gas station pumps, the fire. It's just a cool little place. And this red car, the engine's on the outside. That is so cool. Well, let's go. I just had to stop and show you guys this. Is this like the coolest thing ever? Look at the inside. I just saw him pulling up. Oh my God, look at the tires. How cool. This is beautiful. I love it. Even has dice. Look at that. And it's like a low rider. Guess they're having a car show. Look at the back. How beautiful is that? Today it looks like it's a car show today. Downtown Williams. Someone's hiding their car right there, and there's a truck, a couple of trucks. Look at that. And look at this cute patootie dog.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at this truck. What the heck is that? Yeah. Look at that truck. Boy. Gray man, I know you're loving this. Love that orange. Parking lot. That's pretty. Wow. Okay, it's just too much going on now. I think I am going to go up this street. Get out of here. I made it home, got all my chores done. The only thing I didn't get was that wire that goes around Mr. and Mrs. Plum. They had some, but it wasn't, the holes were too big. Little birds can get in there anyway. So I'm gonna have to go to Flagstaff for that. I like going to Flagstaff anyway. I just didn't feel like going today. Wasn't that car show something else? I can't believe how beautiful these cars are, and the way they restored them is so impressive. Gray man, I'm sorry I didn't get out of that car for some of them because I know you would have loved to seen on the inside. But I'm home. I fed my babies. I'm gonna put groceries away and call it a day. Probably read some more of that book. It really is good though. I also want to say that land, I am not sponsored by them. I just saw it and I thought I would share it with you guys on some land that was for sale. So it is in Williams, Georgia, and we have 4 seasons here, and it definitely snows without a doubt. What else about Williams? It's high elevation, so you're breathing, you got to get used to the breathing part. Let's see, what else? Actually, I think that's it. And from here, you get the best sunsets and the best sunrises. I mean, as you can see, I've shared several sunrises. And maybe one day I'll share some sunsets. But yeah, I'm enjoying it out here. So I thought somebody else will, since a lot of people have been asking me, talking about how they want to do what I'm doing. I inspire them. I can't believe it. I inspire people. But I wish you all good luck, whoever wants to get land, not in just Arizona, but anywhere in the United States or in the world. So I wish you the best. It really is the best having your own land. Nobody can kick you off your own land. You can't get your house taken away from you. I mean, I am so blessed, and I feel so grateful that I have this land. Some days I wake up and I go, I can't believe this. Are you serious, God? Are you serious? It's like the best. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to welcome all the new subscribers. My new beautiful people. And I want to say, make it a best day. Make it the best day ever. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And be free. Be free, guys. Be free.